Hello everyone, my name is Dipak Shivaji Khadge. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am completed my bachelor degree from Yashwantrao Chavan Institute Science College Satara in 2021. After completing my degree, I started searching job opportunity and came across Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd and IT recruitment and training company. I joined them on 26th October 2023 for a full day internship program. During this internship, I was selected BluPace Tech India Private Limited with a salary package of 3 LPA. During the internship, I gained a valuable knowledge in Windows Administrator, ITIL, CCNA, networking and routers, server and basic networking, cybersecurity. The training was well structured and easy to understand. Thanks to Evision guidance, I received 100% placement support. I would especially like to thank my best friend Dipak Kadam, who referred me Anamika ma'am, Mr. Ganesh sir, IT manager, and placement team at Evision for their continuously support. Even after I got selected by BluePace Tech, Evision continue to guide and offer other company opportunities as well. The entire Evision team is very helpful and supportive, and I am truly grateful. Thank you, Evision Technoserve, for your positive training and placement support.